I'm working on this Ford, and you can see there's a big hole there, and that's because the alternator's out. So here we go. I've got one of these remanufactured one of these deals here. So got the big lifetime warranty, I think. Anyhow, so what I'd like to do is, and this quick tip here is just to help you out if you're doing this on your own. The first thing I do is size up the alternator to make sure the case is the same. This happens to be 130 amp. It's going on this Ford van, but anyway, I'll check the back, make sure that all the connections, everything lines up. And this one does. This is not a Motorcraft case, it's an aftermarket. This one's stamped Motorcraft. But here's what I want to show you that's pretty important. Let me grab my light here so you can see a little better. And what's going on here, wow, does that help or does that make it worse? All right, hold on. There we go. So here's our old, here's our new, or rebuilt. And the first thing I noticed after sizing it up, making sure everything would line up, this pulley by eye looked a lot wider than this one. So first thing you want to do is make sure you got the same amount of ribs. This is a 6 rib, so the belt is 6 ribs. So that was the same, but the size difference, and I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera here, is very different. So I busted off this 24 nut on both of them, and then these just pop off. So what I can show you is right here, you know, that fits right down inside it. I don't know, maybe it's not showing up on camera. There it is there. You can see it's much smaller in diameter. Now, will it fit? It may work fine. I don't know. I'm not sure what the tolerances are on that belt are or how much the tensioner can move. But I can tell you what I'm going to do is swap this original one onto that one, and this other one can just go back in there. Then what you want to make sure is that they're lined up, that the distance in or out is going to be the same, and I've done that, and they are. So anyway, it's just something to look, out for, and hopefully help your job go a little bit smoother. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe, all down below. Hope that helps you out. Check out some of my other automotive repair videos. Take it easy.